I'm Dr. Charles Huff, and 67. I've had multiple injuries, car accidents, even childhood and high school football. I've got a limited range of motion in my low back. I can't go forward as far as I should be able to. I don't have too many aches and pains. I had good care for 32 years. And
that's good. So
very little, if I'm in a bad position for very long, doing some repetitive work, like I was just doing some work recovering a table and forward bend position. So then I had some tightness and soreness, so I rolled on the roller, and that seems to help. It's nothing severe.
Okay. Let me see your range of motion, and if you know certain motion that aggravate your symptoms, we want to do it as testing for now.
Extension,
0 to 10.
just a little bit, and then forward flexion. Let's see.
So when you do forward flexion, have your feet together and just slide your arms down and see how far you can go down. That's
all right.
Tight.
So I'm about.
Can you get the whole thing? Okay, we got it now. All right. That's easier.
So let me just say for the rest of the people here, this is way better than it used to be. Remember before, and I had been treated after a car accident, and he would measure this, and I got about 13 inches. And I'm down to here.
How much pain do you feel, and where do you feel it?
I don't feel much pain, a little bit of tightness, and maybe a 1 on my low back. In my low back. And in my boots.
So is it okay to, let me work on your back. All right. Any other motion? Yeah, that's should be up there. Any other range of motion restriction or anything aggravated, so we can use that at testing before and after?
As you know, I had a very limited cervical range of motion, right and left, but it's better now after you worked on me before. It's much better than it was, and I've been very compliant about my exercises.
So just forward, just twisting left and right? Okay. All right.
Pretty good.
So you can have a seat here. Tighten back. So you guys are gonna do that tomorrow.
Forward flexion. Notice, check that out.
You're reaching
The tops of my...
Where do you feel the tightness now?
Probably more here.
The glute area?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. All right, have a seat here.
Okay. That's definitely an improvement. You guys see that? Yeah.
So, relax. Do you feel it right in the upper glute? Or
yes, in the upper kind of hamstring attachment.
Yes. Try it again.
About the same.
About the same.
Yeah.
Okay. And you feel it in the back too.
Yeah. Let's see. I got a little bit more.
Can you get some water, please?
I have some right over here, little container.
Drink some water, especially when you do the fascia release. You must give them more. When you work on the fibrosis, let them drink immediately after the treatment. It's perfect. It's better. Any pain with that?
No, just the skin.
Let me know if it's too much.
No, not at all.
Try it again. Let's put your feet together. Where do you feel it?
I feel it right here.
Okay. Let's lie on your side. You're gonna work on your hamstring. We're gonna give you a hand to cover you. So you're gonna face the camera. I usually put a pillow between his knees. I'm going to work on the hamstring. Is this the area?
I felt it more there.
Okay, I feel big fibrosis here. So I'm gonna work on releasing that. Is it more on the left or right or both?
Both.
You're gonna feel cold. And you guys can come here to see. Next time we're gonna go over this. I'm doing a bit of his IT band too.
I can really
I feel that
band
grinding.
being
Yep.
very
Mhm.
washboardy.
Yep. Yeah. So I'm gonna release that. Make sure it's pain free. Okay. Let's do it in front of the camera.
Pull him down.
20 times.
And then all the way back up.
Are you able to get his legs? You can go down more if you want. If you feel you can go touching your toes. Are you sore?
No.
Okay, we'll let you drink more water. Let's do 10 more times.
Wow, that's amazing.
Let's do 10 more. More water. We did 10 more, and now you can touch your toes. That's awesome. How that feel, Charles?
Fabulous.
Yeah,
I can't believe I
awesome.
can
You look
touch my
fantastic.
toes.
When the last time did you touch your toes?
Oh, I was about 6.
Oh, so a couple years ago. Awesome. You look fantastic. Thank you so much. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.